In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can profit from PLR materials. I'm going to show you several different ways that you can use these materials to build your business. There are several different types of PLR materials out there that you can get. You can get PLR articles, PLR ebooks, PLR audio, PLR video, PLR software. Now, this is by no means a complete list of what you can get in the realm of PLR, but these are the ones that are the most common. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and get some of this material, and I'm going to show you how to set up some different systems to help you build your business. Now, to build my list, I'm going to give away some videos, and I'm going to give away the private label rights to these videos as well. So this will be very attractive to some people. Now, this is a little bit different giving away videos. Now, what you need to make sure of is that you have the right to actually give the videos away. So when you find a PLR product that you plan on giving away, what you want to do is look and see what the rights are. There should always be a rights text file in there. So this one is totally unrestricted. Sell it, give it away, whatever. Okay, so that means you're free to do what you want with it. So make sure that you always look at the rights file to make sure that you're within your rights to give the product away. Okay, now that we've established that, what we have to do is create a web page and tell them what they're going to get for signing up to our list. Put our opt-in box on there. Okay, so I've included a template for you. All you have to do is decide what to put on it, and you're ready to go. So here's the template. I'm going to open this up with a program called Composer. Composer is a free web editor, and I have a link to that in the resources document. Okay, so here's Composer, and here's the web template that comes with the package. Make sure that you rename a copy of this so that you always have an unspoiled copy that you can copy and use again. Okay, so we have some different parts of this here. We have our headline. We have the description, which is going to be the text and images we use to convince the people to opt into our list. Then we have autoresponder code. That's where we put our code from our autoresponder system so they can sign up. And then if we're going to offer them something after they opt in as well, we can put the message down there. Okay, and then a closing, maybe with your picture on it and a signature. So that's all there is to it. We're going to fill this out. We're going to tell them what they're going to get. And then we have a squeeze page ready to go. Okay, the first element is our headline. In a headline, we want to communicate with them what they're going to get and make sure that they know that it's a highly valued product that they're getting for free. Okay, now that we've done that part, the next thing we want to do is give a description of what it is they're going to get. Okay, now if possible, you should put an image with the file that you're going to be giving away. Okay, so all I'll do here is I'll click on the image. Okay, so I'm just going to use a generic image, a video button here. Okay, and then we put the description of the video in here. So if we go and look at what we have add today's date to your website. Okay, so put the text in here. Okay, now what we should do is go into Appearance here. Let's go back to Image, go to Appearance, and set this to wrap to the right. Click OK. Okay, we'll line that up the way we want it there. And then we will do the same thing again. Let's put in the image again. So video button. Let's change the dimensions to be 1/3 the size. And then we'll click OK here. Okay, and then we'll put the text here again. So we'll go back And the next one is Amazon S3. So we'll put a better description than that in there. Okay, and then after that, we'll tell it to wrap the lines. Now, the reason we're doing this in 2 stages is because it can mess up the web page if you don't do it this way. You can end up with a mess. So what we'll do is do that. And then underneath here, let's give it a little more description. So we'll uncapitalize this. So let's just tell them what exactly that means. Okay, so there's some description telling them what the video is about. Okay, we do the same thing for all the video products we're going to give away. Okay, so now we have finished up putting all of our products we're going to give away in here, but you'll notice that our autoresponder code is going to end up underneath everything. Now, that's not a good thing. You always want your autoresponder code to be up above the fold of the browser. Let's have a look at what this site looks like in the browser. Okay, so here it is, and as you can see, I have this browser set larger than most people probably do as far as height's concerned, so they're not even going to be able to see the autoresponder code. So what we want to do is move that. So let's just delete this. So we'll do table delete and table, get rid of that, and then we can put the autoresponder code wherever we want. So let's, right under the headline here, right here above the first product, let's insert a table. So table insert. Okay, just click on the single cell there. Now we can go in to table cell properties, and we can change this table around a little bit. So let's go to the table. So let's change the width to 80% of the cell. Okay, and then let's align it center. Click OK. Now we can put our autoresponder code in here. So just go to your autoresponder and get the form code that you're going to use. I'm not going to go through the use of autoresponders. You probably already have one. All you have to do is go through the procedure to put their form code inside the box here. You also might want to put above this box here, I'm just telling them to fill in the form below to get all of the following items. Something like that. Since we have so many there, we're going to have to switch the page around a little bit. So this page was a template, but you're free to change it as you need. So let's just do that. Okay, so I just changed it like that, fill in the form above to receive all the following videos. So let's save this. Now let's refresh our form here on our browser. Okay, so there's where our form code would be. I'm just going to throw some form code in there so that we can see what the form will look like. Okay, so I take my form code and I just got to paste it in here. So let's center this. We have to change the table for that. So horizontal, we want to put center. Okay, and then what we do here, we just insert HTML, paste my form code in that I got from my autoresponder, click insert and save. Now notice nothing happened here because it can't interpret JavaScript. But let's go and refresh our web page. Let's go here, let's do a refresh. And as you see, our form code is now shown up and it's above the fold. Okay, now we need to finish up our page. Let's go back into Composer. Now, we want to go into Format and Page Title and Properties. This is important for the search engines. So what we could do is put a proper title in here that has something to do with our product. Okay, so whatever you want to put there. Same thing with description, put something in there. Click OK. And that's what's going to show up in your browser title bar now. Okay, so save this, and our squeeze page is now done. So that concludes the first part of the video where you learn how you can build your list.